Okay, good morning, Year 2. So this will be your classwork for today, December 21st, 2020. You will find this activity on your Hodder Learners book, page 17. Okay, the title of the page is Past Tense. Activity number 1. Which of these sentences are in the past tense? Clue. Think whether the sentence is happening in the past. Also, look at the verbs that you have in each sentence. Letter A, we have is. Letter B, we have was. Letter C, we have plays. Letter D, we have played. Letter E, we have cries. And letter F, we have cried. Look at the verbs carefully. If you can identify if the verb is in the present tense or in the past tense. Okay, so I just want you to identify which of these sentences are in the past tense. Okay? Remember that some of the verbs, regular verbs, we added ed to make them in the past tense of the verb, while the other verbs, we call them irregular verbs that we need to change their spelling in order for them to be in the past tense of the verb. You can do it, I know. Activity 2. Write these sentences in the past. You will need to change the verb. Again, write these sentences in the past. You will need to change the verb. So the verbs that we have here in our sentences are play, eat, and cooks. So to make these sentences in the past, you need to change the verb. How do you do it? Are you going to add ed to make these verbs in the past tense of the verb, or you need to change the spelling? Let me see your work later on. For try this, write a sentence in the past tense for each of these pictures. What is the boy doing? Or what was the boy doing? What was the girl doing? I need you to make a sentence in the past. For example, Miss Jasmine taught us adjective last week. Miss Jasmine taught us adjectives last week. So our verb for that sentence is taught. I know you can do this one, Year 2. I know you can do it. Thank you and have a good day learning.